Hey guys, it's yours truly. It's January the 7th, 2023, and we're doing a Rapido unboxing video today. Yes, I don't think I need to say any more. Let's just dive into this thing. I actually picked this up today from Nicholas Smith Trains in Broomall, PA. And I've had them on my list for a while, and I was kind of debating on if I should get one or not. I saw one today in person, and I ended up buying it. So, yeah, here we are now. So then we got the owner's manual. So these are the functions. Okay, so F13 is the backup light. I don't think I have that number, so I'll have to wait on that, but it does work. And there's your exploding parts diagram. Now, Rapido did announce that they are bringing out the HEP versions of these, and I will be getting that. So they're going to bring them out in BN, Amtrak, Burlington Northern, just to name a few. So this is the packaging. I know I'm going kind of fast here, guys, but I don't know how much space I have left on my phone. Yeah, I'm always, limited on my space on my phone because I save a lot of stuff on it. So let me see if I can do this with one hand. Give me a sec. Just put that there for a second. It's being difficult. All right. Got it. So, there we go. So the reason I bought the Southern unit is because of the roof details. They have roof-mounted air tanks, which is great. I mean, look at this paint. Guys, I mean, let me get it out of the packaging. Now, this is the crescent scheme. This is the crescent scheme, the green crescent scheme. Like, I mean, guys, look at that. I mean, this is just incredible. Like, I'm impressed. I really am. And this is the first time I've actually seen one of these in person. 5-chime horn. Looks like one of the bells is kind of bent. I'll have to fix that. But, it's a great engine. I am going to subletter this for the ER&W. And trust me, when I put it on here, it's not going to mess up the paint scheme or anything. It's gonna be fine. And then here is the back. Just turn it around so you guys can see it. All right, let's get this on the track so that you guys can see it run, because as I said before, I don't have much space on my phone. All right, let me make sure this is the right way, because if I... All right, lights on. So you got number boards, headlights, and truck lights. Here's the bell. Ooh. Wow. So yeah, guys, that's the Southern E8 from Rapido. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll have more coming soon. If you have any questions about it, let me know, but I highly recommend getting your hands on one of these. If not this particular model, they are bringing out the HEP equipped ones. So those are coming up later this year. So see you guys.